Stoichiometry lovers, I have a question here which says, what is the concentration of dissolving 8 grams of sodium hydroxide that in 200 cubic centimeters of water? From the word go, there are two things that we can do, and I'm going to show you both of them if you're okay. Okay, let's look at the solution. Let's look at the data that we have first of all. The first thing that we have is the volume, which is 200 cubic centimeters, which we can convert to cubic decimeters by dividing by 1000. So if we divide by 1000, we end up having 0.2 cubic watt decimeter. Remember that 1 cubic decimeter is just equal to 1000 cubic centimeters. This is the relationship that we are using to do this, because our volume should be in cubic decimeters standard. The next one is we have the mass, which is 8 grams. But we also need the mixture for sodium hydroxide. The mixture for sodium hydroxide is sodium is 23, oxygen is 16, plus 1. This will give me 40 grams per watt per mole. This is the relative molecular mass which I need. I hope you know how to find the relative molecular mass. If you don't know, all what you do is get sodium, then hydroxide like that. Do this. Ask yourself, what's the mass number of hydrogen on the periodic table? It's 1. How many hydrogen atoms do you have here? It's 1. What's the mass number of oxygen? 16. How many do you have here? 1. What's the mass number of sodium? 23. How many are there? 2. Sorry, 1. So get 1, get 16, we get 23. Here we get 17 plus 23 to give you what? 40. This is how come I arrived at my 40 here. Having done this, what we do next is that use the formula now to find the number of moles. So number of moles is equal to mass given over the molar mass. So the mass given here is 8 grams over 40, which will give me 8 over 40, give me 0.2. 0.2 moles. So these are the number of moles that I'm having. After finding the number of moles, now we can find concentration as number of moles over volume. Number of moles given is 0.2 mole. The volume that we are using is this one here, the one that we found at first, the 0.2 cubic watt decimeter. You see that they're the same, right? We have 0.2, we have 0.2. And we just end up having what? 1 mole per cubic decimeter. Or you can just say 1 molar. Then you'll still be doing the correct thing. So that's how you can find the concentration. Okay? And we're done.